can't sit next to this thing.
No worries. I'm going to go speak to the captain.
Please speak to the captain. Please.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh my God, he's assaulting me. I knew it. All these maggots, you just hit me. Oh! Please call the medic. Medic, I need a medic right away.
I didn't do it.
I just recorded that.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, I need a medic right now.
She's crazy.
He assaulted
me
me.
to calm down, okay? We have a solution.
Yes.
I did speak to the captain, and he does agree that nobody should be in
Oh,
this
thank
position
you.
for
Oh,
so
thank you
we
so
do have
much.
a seat available in first class.
Thank you.
Sir, if you want to come with me, I'm going to escort you to first class, okay? Ma'am, you are welcome to sit in your
No,
seat.
you're doing the wrong thing right now. You're doing the wrong thing. You know what?
This
You don't know who I
is-
am. You don't know who I am, but you are going to get the worst reviews, and I feel like you're going to be grounded for a long time. This is your fault.
I understand.
I don't even think you talked to the captain. Get this maggot out of my way, please. Get out of
I
here,
will
maggot.
have the captain speak to you later, ma'am, okay?
Later, I want him now.
All right.
Right now.